Wait, Temu isn't just for buying $3 phone cases anymore? That's right, while everyone's been shopping on Temu, smart sellers have quietly been building seven-figure businesses on this platform. And here's the kicker, it's actually easier to get started on Temu than on Amazon or eBay right now. Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about selling on Temu in 2025, including how you actually get your money out, which nobody seems to talk about. Let's dive in. So first things first, what exactly is Temu for sellers? Temu is a Chinese-owned marketplace that launched in 2022 and absolutely exploded. We're talking 300 million active users in just 3 years. But here's what most people don't realize. Temu operates on what's called a next-generation manufacturing model. Unlike traditional e-commerce where you buy inventory upfront, Temu connects sellers directly with manufacturers and handles most of the heavy lifting. They even have programs where they'll buy your inventory from you up front. Yeah, you heard that right. They launched their global seller program in 2023 and now sellers from over 30 countries can join. Think of Temu as the anti-Amazon. Where Amazon makes you handle everything yourself, Temu wants to do most of the work for you. They handle warehousing, shipping, even customer service in many cases. Your job? Source good products and optimize your listings. Now, why should you care about Temu right now? 3 massive reasons. First, the competition is still relatively low. While everyone and their mum is trying to crack Amazon's algorithm, Temu's seller base is maybe 10% the size. That's your opportunity window right there. Second, Temu is throwing serious money at seller acquisition. We're talking promotional credits, reduced fees for new sellers, even guaranteed purchase programs where they literally buy your inventory before you've sold anything. This won't last forever. Platforms always tighten up once they hit critical mass. Third, the demographics are gold. Temu users are actually higher income than you'd think. Average household income up $75,000 according to recent data. And they're not just buying junk. Home goods, electronics, fashion, these categories are crushing it right now. Quick but important update. If you're selling to US customers, be aware that new tariffs on Chinese goods are affecting pricing. Some products are seeing 20 to 30% increases. But here's the opportunity. Temu's actively recruiting sellers from Mexico, Vietnam, Turkey, and other countries to diversify their supply chain. If you're sourcing from outside China or selling non-Chinese products, you actually have a competitive edge right now. Just factor this into your pricing strategy, the landscape's changing fast. Alright, let's get real about the pros and cons. On the plus side, low barrier to entry. You can start with just a few $100s, no need for your own website or complex logistics. Temu's algorithm actually favors new sellers, unlike Amazon where you're buried on page 50, and their seller support? Actually responsive, which is wild if you've dealt with other platforms. The fees are competitive too. Temu charges 5 to 8% commission plus fulfillment fees if you use their warehousing, usually 15 to 20% all in. Amazon's referral fees are 8 to 15% by category, but add FBA and ads, you're looking at 30 to 40% total. So yes, Temu is generally cheaper, but always check the current fee schedules for your specific category. But here's the reality check. Cons. Your profit margins will be tight. We're talking 15 to 30% if you're doing well. Product quality expectations can be tricky. Customers expect low prices but still want decent quality. The platform favors certain categories, trendy items, gadgets, home goods do great, luxury items not so much. And here's the big one, getting paid internationally can be complicated if you're not prepared. So how do you actually start? It's surprisingly straightforward. Step 1, apply at seller.temu.com. You'll need a business registration, even a sole proprietorship works, and basic documentation like ID and bank info. Approval usually takes 3 to 7 days. Step 2, choose your selling model. Start with the marketplace model where you control inventory, or if you're risk averse, try their consignment model where Temu buys up front. Step 3, product research is crucial. Use Temu's seller-centered tools to see what's trending. And pro tip, look for products with less than 50 sellers but over 1,000 monthly sales. That's your sweet spot. Step 4, optimize your listings like crazy. Unlike Amazon, Temu loves lots of product images. Use all 10 slots. price competitively but leave room for their frequent sales and promotions. Now here's where it gets interesting, actually getting your money. Temu pays out every 2 weeks, but if you're selling internationally, you're gonna hit some walls. Currency conversion fees, international wire fees, payment delays, it adds up fast. This is where World First becomes a game changer. Instead of losing 3 to 5% on every payout to bank fees, World First gives you local receiving accounts in multiple currencies. So Temu pays you like you're a local seller, and you can hold, convert, or transfer money when exchange rates are favorable. Plus, and this is huge for scaling, you can pay your Chinese suppliers directly from the same account. No more juggling multiple payment platforms or eating massive conversion fees twice. Look, Temu isn't perfect, but it's a legitimate opportunity right now, especially if you're just starting in e-commerce. Lower competition, lower barriers to entry, and actual seller support make it worth testing. Start small, maybe $500 to $1,000 in inventory, test a few products, and see what works. And seriously, set up your payment infrastructure properly from day one. Those fees will eat you alive otherwise. Have you tried selling on Temu? Drop your experience in the comments. And if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping new marketplace guides every week. Until next time, keep selling smart.